Sex before marriage with a Ukrainian woman. Is it really possible? Does it happen? Oh yeah. It's probably going to happen way before your marriage, because it is an important issue in the relationship between men and women, and Ukrainian women are modern, up-to-date women who take care in who they are going to marry. And it's really important for them that you can handle her sexual appetite. But do I have families when sex happened very late inside the relationship, or when women were sending very mixed signals and they still got the guy and they're happily married now? Oh yeah, I'm going to talk about those examples as well. I have a really happy love story when it took the whole year for the woman to gain trust in the man, to open up to him in the bedroom. She said she shouldn't have waited that long, but it happened. I have a situation also that once a woman took a man to a sauna and they were sitting almost naked without doing anything, and the man almost went mad, not knowing what to do and what she was expecting from him. But she didn't expect sex, she was testing him. There are also situations when a woman was deliberately very explicit and she started making out with a man, came to his apartment, and it was very, very like sexual, him French kissing him and being proactive, but then she turned out cold, and it turned out that she was testing a guy like this as well. So sexuality, the timing in the sexuality with Ukrainian women, when to do it right, how to organize it in a proper way so she doesn't take you for a sex tourist, but she takes you for a husband material, and at the same time, how not to wait too long. All men want to know it. And I also have situations when a woman came heartbroken from the trip because sex didn't happen. That's a European situation. Because she was learning who is the man, she was understanding him better, and she went for a long weekend and sex didn't happen. And the man said she's not wife material because it didn't happen. She just came as a tourist. And she didn't come as a tourist. She was seriously considering him as a life partner, but the man got too upset. So for you not to be like that man, or not like those men who didn't know how to handle situations properly, I'm making this video about proper timing with developing sexual relationship with a Ukrainian lady, so it serves to your benefit. My name is Natalie Koval. I'm an international matchmaker, and I have created hundreds of couples between Ukrainian women and foreign men. And if you keep subscribed to my channel, you're going to learn a lot of good examples of love stories, how you can make your special love story first happen and then blossom. Keep subscribed. The term sapiosexual. Sapiosexual means the person is building emotional connection to the partner before creating physical contact. Sapiosexual people really care of really connecting in a very proper, in a very trustful way before they really open up. It's a prerogative of traditional family values, and it's becoming more rare, but now I hear about these kind of trends in the Western society as well. So Ukrainian women are in most of the cases sapiosexual. It means that you will need to take your time to prove her that you are reliable, to earn her trust before something physical happens. Before we talk about the steps of building your emotional and physical connection with a Ukrainian lady, I want you to pay attention to the description to this video, because there is a link to our short questionnaire. Take 5 minutes and fill this out, send us your question, and we will come back to you with ideas and suggestions on how we can help, and we will probably even schedule a session with my professional consultation for you to help you understand the nature of Ukrainian women, or maybe help you resolve some important issues that you're having with your girlfriend. So, steps in building your sexual relationship with a Ukrainian lady. Well, it's fun talking about it. I love educating men about building physical connection because it's so important to Ukrainian women. But many men make it wrong, or make it too fast, or expect things the same way it's happening in the West. It is not. And if you are expecting the same thing, you're going to lose your girlfriend. You're going to miss a lot of family-oriented marriage material type of ladies. So listen to this video, watch the comments, and let's talk about building trust with Ukrainian women. Step number 1, you are on a date and you are attracted to the woman. Testosterone blows your mind off and you are so attracted you can't keep control. But the brain is your main important part of your body. Brain, not something else. Think with your big head and make sure you don't say something stupid, you don't joke with inappropriate things, and you keep yourself cool. If you feel the same attraction, the woman will be warmer and closer to you. She will even touch you, or she will even let you hug her. But if she doesn't, if she stays away from you, wait for the feedback that the matchmaker may give you about the date. She's either not interested in you or she's really building trust, and she belongs to those type of sapiosexual type of women that really need a lot of time to build it. But attraction is the main component of your relationship, ideally when it's mutual. Step number 2, you check that after you are so attracted to each other, you have the same goals and the same values. And knowing that and talking about your goals and values and telling her that you are actually interested in a long-term relationship, that you didn't come here for fun and you are going out with her because you want to explain her that you're a cool guy and you deserve her attention. That's absolutely fine to talk to the woman on your first date in Ukraine that you want family, you want relationship, how many children you want, talking about your parents, talking about your plans and goals in relationship. Do not talk about your past girlfriends and how much you enjoyed certain things. But talk about serious things and you will not scare her off, but you will confirm that you are a serious man. Some men actually overdo it, but that's why I am the matchmaker who can give good advice and advise the man how to communicate properly, and my personal consultation is exactly for that. If you need it, subscribe. Your third step on building physical connection to your right woman is organizing a romantic trip. This romantic trip will most probably be the beginning of a wonderful love story you will create together. And you will be telling your grandchildren about that great fun you had together and how you were overcoming some adventures on some island. Make it special. Organize it the best way your imagination allows. Make it really cool. And for men from Canada or United States, I advise to organize a trip for the girl in your hemisphere. This way, when she travels, she will earn more understanding of what it is for you to travel that far, and she will value you more. Because first of all, it's also an expensive matter of buying that kind of a ticket, and she will understand that you are not doing it to any woman, that she is really special. It's not so much about the money, but this is about the attitude. It is about the way you organize it. It is the way you plan it, and you are the boss there. Remember, Ukrainian women like men who are confident and who take the charge. And this is one of the ways of taking the charge. So, talking about the romantic trip, there are some ideas about the romantic trip. Because before you go on a romantic trip, you need to discuss with a woman how she feels it more comfortable. Stay in separate rooms or stay into the same room, and give her the choice. Chances are that she will choose the same room are very high. But do not blame her if she chooses different rooms because she needs space. And who knows, like 99% of the couples still turn out to be in the same room at the end of their trip. That's why they are traveling together. If a woman doesn't trust you and doesn't feel that she wants to be with you, she will not travel with you on a romantic trip. That's too much of an effort. That's breaking a heart. They're not coming to a matchmaker for that reason. They want sustaining relationship, but they also need their space. And it also happens when they discuss different rooms. Then when it comes to actually buying the room, a woman is saying, oh, you know, I changed my mind. Let's take a big room and let's stay in the same room. You will still have different blankets. You can still keep cool. You can still show your coolness and your control over your body and your sexuality when you are in the same bed, when you are in the same room, but you keep yourself being a perfect gentleman with her till the time is right. That's the real coolness all the women would appreciate in a good man. So you've decided on the rooms, she has arrived. Be patient, because when a woman is traveling for 28 hours, she's tired. So the best thing you can do is organize a massage for her, either the same day or the next morning. Massage, some spa, some complex spa, so she can take the trip off her body and her body can get and wake up all the senses for you. Receiving care of somebody and waking up the senses is the greatest thing a woman can get. Don't do it yourself. No, that's too soon. Have her get a professional massage from a woman in the hotel. High chances sex is going to happen the same day, because that's cool. I didn't tell you that, okay? So, showing your coolness, show that you care about her body, show that you are not after her body only, is the way you build connection, and you show her that you are a man that she can trust, and you are building your proper life story and love story too. When you are on a trip together, she will obviously show it to you when she's ready, and you will have some of the most unforgettable moments of your life, because when a woman opens her body to a man, she really trusts that man and she starts loving him, not only with her mind and imagination, but also with her body and her heart. That is really important. So do not play with that. Do not go on a romantic trip if you just want to entertain. It's your love story. Remember that. And step number 4, moving on a romantic trip, when you are physically connected together, start treating your woman like she is your wife. That means go shopping together, buy some stuff for each other, pick clothes for each other, give her money, and tell her spend it for fun for both of you, and you will know how she spends money, because when people are physically connected, they also show more trust when it comes to real money spending habits, and you are going to learn a lot about each other, good or bad things, which is important. Some men are giving women the money in the envelope for the whole trip, say this is fun money, let's spend it, and they watch how the woman spends it. If there is something left, just in case, he says to keep it and use it for whatever bills she has coming home. Some men are even suggesting the woman, and not even suggesting, but insisting on the woman taking some money before she makes a trip, because she's missing some days of work, she's missing some bills paid, and she needs some money to prepare herself for this romantic trip, because it's an extra expense that she might simply not have money for it. So if you want to show that you are considerate, caring, and really pro-marriage oriented man, then you may want to do that too. And when you are shopping together, be very attentive on different things, like what type of stuff she buys, what type of style she prefers. You will have many ideas of what type of gift you can also make it. And here's about the gift. Women in Ukraine believe in gifts. Or many women, let's be honest. Many women misinterpret it and overuse it. Some women are greedy, but if this woman sees you as marriage material, if she's serious about you, then she will take it as a very important thing when you are bringing her something valuable. It can be some piece of jewelry, not a ring if you are not ready for it. No, maybe friendship ring, but some earrings, maybe some jewelry, not silver, gold. If you are taking her as a future possible wife, you don't have to spend a fortune on it. Usually, something between 200 to 300 may be good, because you always get good deals in North America for gold. But it's a message that you are ready for a relationship, that you're somewhat putting a tag on her, your mind, That's what Ukrainian men do when they are taking a girl seriously. They give her a gift that is expensive enough for him to buy it, but does not oblige her to owe him something. So do what some smart Ukrainian men do. And definitely continue building trust. Continue your communication. Continue asking more private questions. Discuss family budget. Well, not of course after the first sex, but there will be time about talking about it, and show her that you are ready to participate in her life, not only as a good lover, but also as a good provider, because that's together. Some men joke about it. Yeah, Ukrainian women are saying that a husband is an ATM with a penis. Well, it's a joke, but penis is important for the women. So, and money is the blood of every family. We shouldn't underestimate it. You become a sponsor when you are not using your common sense, your wisdom, your brain in the relationship. Then woman feels it and she doesn't respect it. If you're just buying her things, if you're just paying for things, if she doesn't feel that you actually participate in her life with listening to her attentively, by giving her advice how she can handle different life situations, by recommending her things to do, by actually participating in her life. Participate in her life not only with your money. You're a man, you have power, you have experience, you have strength, and this is what we want from our partners. So when you are showing it to her, you are not an ATM with a penis. You are a life partner. And step number 5, if you feel really connected, happy, fulfilling relationship, then you definitely want to engage. Get a proper engagement ring. Get something like you would get to your local woman, because then in 99.9% of the cases she's going to live in your country, and in your country when people see the right engagement ring they will know that this woman is taken, right? Guys give engagement rings, but of course you don't have to spend overboard fortune on it, and engaging is a message. One of the ideas is engaging when you come to her home and you ask her dad his permission to marry his daughter. That is a very touching moment. Of course you agree about it, of course you don't do it spontaneously, you don't agree that you're going to engage, but you say you want to meet her parents. And if you are a loving story with her, then it will be a little bit of a surprise, but it may probably become one of the most touching moments in your future love story. So here's an idea for you. We are all unique, and every love story is special because we are all different. And learning who is your girlfriend, what she likes, what is important to her, and what you can do to make her life better, easier, more fun, more enjoyable is a job of a proper man who wants to be a husband. The girl will do the same. And when you are a team in this, then you win together and you create a happy family. If you want to hear more special advice to your specific love story, please get our email in the description to the video and write us an email, marriagebynatalie@gmail.com. On our website, marriagebynatalie.com, you can see some of our love stories. Some people don't want us to place their picture on a site, but these love stories are real, and these people are sharing their experience because they are now happily married, and this is what I wish for you too. Keep subscribed to my channel because you're going to get more ideas on creating happy love story with your girlfriend. And if you hit the bell button, definitely you'll get announcements about my new videos. Let you have and build the most unforgettable love story possible. Because love is possible, relationship is possible, and your happy life is 100% possible when you make an effort for it. You should have a happy love story.